Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to look at volumes of cylinders. So if you've completed the previous video on circles and the previous video volume of prisms, today's lesson will be a lot easier for you. We're also going to set pi as 3.14 in our calculations. So reminder, volume is area of the base times height. And in a cylinder, our base area is a circle, which is pi r squared. So the volume is pi r squared times height, like that, base times height, pi r squared h. So we're going to give approximations to two decimal places. Example 1, r is 3, h is 5. So volume is pi r squared h, r is 3, h is 5, 45 pi. Plug in 3.14, so our volume is approximately 141.3 centimeters cubed. B, d is 8, so that means our r is 4. So pi r squared h, so r is 4, h is 6, gives 96 pi. Plug in 3.14, and so our volume is approximately 301.44 centimeters cubed. Okay, practice number 1. Find the volume of the cylinders given these measurements. Go ahead and pause the video and do that. Okay, we're back. Pi r squared h, r is 10, h is 8, gives 800 pi. Plug in 3.14, so volume is approximately 2512 centimeters cubed. B, d is 16, meaning r is 8. So pi r squared h, r is 8, h is 9, gives 576 pi. Plug in pi, 3.14, and so our volume is approximately 1808.64 centimeters cubed. Practice number 2. Find the volume of the figure. Go ahead and pause the video and answer that. Okay, so what do we have? Area of the base times 10, like that. Our base is half a circle, so pi r squared divided by 2. Plug in a radius of 4, like that, so you have 4 squared. This gives 80 pi. Plug in 3.14, and so our volume is approximately 251.2 centimeters cubed. Okay, practice number 3. The volume of a cylinder is 12 pi centimeters cubed. If h is 3 centimeters, what is the value of r? Go ahead and pause the video and find that. Okay, we're back. So V equals pi r squared h. Volume is 12 pi. Pi stays there, r stays there, h is 3. So we want r squared on its own, so we're going to get rid of pi and 3, so we're going to divide by 3 pi on both sides. This gives 4 equals r squared. Square root both sides, and we get r equals 2 as the value of the radius. And that's it. I'll see you guys in the next video.